Hello friends, welcome to DJ Kids. Today we are going to see about multiple activity toy. Let's go to the video and explore it. On the front side, we have given with some keys which plays a beautiful music. On the back side, we have given with shapes where your kids can match the particular shape with it. Here we have some shapes: hexagon, plus, heart, flower and triangle. And on the second row we have some birds and animals: hen, frog, duck, dog, cow and a sheep. Now let's see how we can play with these objects. Now trying to put hexagon into the correct shape. Now it's plus, heart, flower, triangle. Now let's see how we can fit the birds and animals into the shapes. For the kids, they have given the colors with the matching animals. So here we are seeing that hen shape over here. So let's put the hen over there. While you keeping insert over here, the kids can able to hear the sound of a hen. So let's press it and let's move to duck. Just hear the sound. And then it's cow. Just listen the sound. Now turn it back. Then move on to sheep. Now it's frog. Now it's a dog. Those keys are making the beautiful sounds, which your kids will definitely like that. And we have a colorful beads up over there. And we have given with some basic mathematics over there. Now it's time to take back the objects which we have put in. We have given with lock and a key. Kids can pull the keys and open the lock, where they can find the objects whatever they have put in. Isn't it fun, right? On the other side, we have given with the simplest way to take the objects out. Now let's see how our little master plays with it. Star, plus, heart, triangle, hexagon. She really enjoys playing with it. Thanks for watching the video. For more fun videos, do subscribe to DJ Kids channel.